Hey, fellow video heads, John here. I just had this idea the other day that it would really be fun to play around with the DaVinci Resolve 16.1 Beta 2 because it has some really interesting features in it when it comes to doing things with multicam. So I thought, okay, I'll set up some multicam and we'll see what happens. So there are 3 cameras recording this. There's camera A, which is the main camera, which is the one I'm looking into. There's camera B, which is a off to the side camera, and it's kind of a close-up. And then there's camera C, which is not so far away, but it's a GoPro, so you know, it's a different angle. So I have 3 cameras, different angles. They are all recording audio. And the nice thing about this new version of DaVinci Resolve with multicam is it will sync the audio on the video clips. So for the final video, I'm actually using this little Tascam recorder here, and it will also sync to the video clips. So I found that I think doing multicam in kind of an interview situation, which is what this is, can have some advantages in terms of workload in post-production. One of those advantages is the subject isn't going to move much. The cameras aren't going to go anywhere. They're going to stay in the same place. You're probably not going to be there so long that your lighting is going to change. So when you get these clips back into your studio and you start doing post-production, you can pretty much take those clips, and since they're all not changing at all, you just do the whole clip at one time before you start chopping it up and creating your edited feature. So you can just go ahead and color grade the entire clip. So one of the things that I did on this one was I took this color chart, this passport color chart, and shot it with all 3 cameras before I actually started recording this. And I also did the poor man's clapper. We all know what that is. So that's going to let me take my video clips and sync them, and then I'll have that clap that I did at the beginning to sync those 3 clips to the actual audio track. So I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but I thought it would be fun to give it a try. So that's going to be it. I'm going to shut off these cameras and go take the clips and see what happens. So, bye for now. Talk to you later.